The use of a damp cloth rinsed in any mild, non-abrasive liquid detergent is recommended for cleaning all surfaces on Bun-O-Matic equipment. Open the pod door with the Open-Close switch. Disconnect brewer from power source and allow to cool. Remove 2 screws and top cover. Turn thumb screw counterclockwise. Slip one hand through pod door opening. Remove spray head assembly through front. Use a pen or similar object to press out the spray head if it should stick. Remove seal from spray head. Check and clean the spray head. The spray head holes must always remain open. Clean all the holes in the plastic spray head to remove any mineral deposits. Wash and rinse in sink. When reassembling spray head, be sure to have seal installed with ridge facing up. Rinse and dry each item thoroughly before reassembling. Pull the drip tray and bin assembly straight towards you. Empty bin as required. Separate the parts and wash with mild, non-abrasive liquid detergent. Rinse and dry complete. Reassemble and reinstall drip tray and bin.